In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a Tic Tac Toe gaming console using Visual C#. So you would first open up Visual C#, you go to a new project, console application. Let's call it I'll call it Bunny Tic Tac Toe, and then it loads up here. So you would first start off by declaring a couple of variables. So let's start off with the board. So we have every single corner. So string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I equals, and let's go one by one. So string A equals 1, string B equals 2, string C equals 3, string D equals 4, string E equals 5, E, F, 6, F, G, H, I. It's the last one. So basically how our board will look like is like this. So it would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So let's do an introduction. So console.title, making the title of the console Bunny Tic Tac Toe. Just as a notice, it could be more efficient using an array, but for the purposes of the tutorial, keep it simple. Let's go, let's say, welcome to Bunny Tic Tac Toe. We could also have /n, but again, keep it simple. Press any key to continue. Console.readline. Now do console.clear. Console.writeLine. Please enter the name of the first player. Let's close that. Don't need that. No. Okay. Please enter the name of the first player. Let's have string player 1, player 2. Player 1 equals console.readline. Console.writeLine. Please enter the name of the second player. Player 2 equals console.readline. Let's start with player number 1. Now we need another string to do string turn equals 1. We could also have an integer, but player 1. Yeah, it's easier to understand. So player 1, if turn equals player 1. Okay. Now we first have to do a drawboard. You could also have a drawboard like function, but we'll keep it again simple. So we would have to do console.writeLine. No, first let's do console.clear. Let's do one here so it's more efficient. And let's go console. Actually, we also need one here. Is player and now to add his name. So what was the name of it? Player 1. Turn. Okay. Console.writeLine. And now we do the actual board. So A plus, here it's a bit messed up, plus B plus, and again do the border, plus C. And now we replicate this again. Then we do D, E, F, I, G, H, I. Yeah. So this is the drawboard. Now that we have the board drawn with all the variables, we would have to console. Let's make it add a little bit of asterisks here to split off the board. The console.write line. Please make a selection. Since we have the numbers already here, we would make another string called selection. We could add it here actually. So we do selection equals console.read line if selection equals 1. And then in here we would have to do string. If selection equals 1, then if A equals to 1, which means that it's never been used before, then wait one second. Equals to 1, never been used before, then A equals X. So remember, this is player X. Else, now if I remember how to do else, like that. Else, console.writeLine, warning, this box has already been used. Okay, let's see if it works. Spelling mistake. Okay. There we go. So it works roughly. Now we just have to continue this on for every single one of the ifs. So if selection is 2, then if B equals 2, then B equals X. Do it again here. If console.writeLine 3, then C equals 3, C. And here, if it's 4, then it's D. D equals 4. D equals X. If it's 5, then DE. A, B, C, D, E. E, then F. So 6. F, 6. F. F, G. H. And last but not least, but I. Alright, now that we have this done, now we have to do the winner detection. So winner detection. So how this will work is we go through and check to see if A, so we first go horizontally, so if A equals B and B equals C, then we have a winner. Let's first do all the possibilities, so if D equals E and E equals F. I actually already have this done in Java, so I'll just quickly, to save time, you guys can do this by yourself. There we go. Alright. So, inside these parameters, we would do a winning thing. So we first have to do a string if 1. String. It should be a boolean, but whatever. Actually, whatever. Keep it as a string. Alright. 1 equals true. Congratulations, you won. Actually, let's do this. Congratulations. Player 1 won. Answer, do you want to play again? Do you want to play again? Y/N. And then let's do input. What was our input variable for? Selection. Selection equals console.read line. If selection equals y. We need another variable. String play again. Should have been boolean or whatever. And play again equals true. And then we would also have else play again equals false. Okay. So we would now just copy and paste this. Normally you would put this to a void, which would handle it, a function. But right now, this should work. Alright, now for the other player, we pretty much just use the same amount of code, the same code. It's just we do if player equals if turn equals player 2. I think it's here. Nope. Here. Okay. And copy all this. Here. Alright, let's just make sure that this works. Uh-oh. Okay, let me undo this. Oh. Oh well. One mistake just got exponentially bigger. Because I copy and paste and now every single one of them has the same problem. Okay. Seems like I have to recopy this all the way here. Copy. And now paste. Hope it works. I think I have an extra bracket. There we go. Okay. So right now we just have to change the X's to O's. Huh? What? Weird. Okay. First half done. Now let's go to the second half and change this to O. 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 oh, 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 oh. Okay. Back to I. Alright. So. Okay. So we now have to do a start thing. So right here. Start. A label. And then if it should go if play no one higher. If play again equals true. Then go to start. Else console alright, and then thank you for playing. Please come again some other time. Alright, and this will send it back to the beginning. Here we have to change the player though. What is the current player? So if turn equals player 1, we have to change it back to turn equals player 2. Here. And similarly we have to do it over here. Turn equals player 1. So it switches back. Why did I put uppercase and not one lowercase? Alright. And that should be it. Now let's just do some coloring at the beginning so it looks nicer. Console.for equals console back for color dot console dot green console color console dot console color dot green. There we go. Alright. And it should work. There we go. Press any key to continue. And what? Uppercase. And there we go, it's working. Fine. And now I should switch over to the other player's turn and so on and so forth. Here we have to change over to player 2. And here we have to change it over to player 2. We should have done a variable called current player. It would be a lot more efficient. You could also make a scoreboard. There we go. And now quit. Let's see why. Once it goes here, it should go back to start. So you have to do a game over procedure thing. If 1 equals false. If 1 equals false. Go to start. And now it should work perfectly fine. Oops. There we go. Ta-da! And it's working fine. Oh, we have to do another thing. When you do the play again, you have to reset all of the variables. So A should equal to 1, B should equal to 2, C should equal to 3, E should equal to 4, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. There we go. And now it should work perfectly fine. Ta-da. Play again, yes. And here it continues off with Bob's turn. The other player's turn. Bad. Just before. Pretty elementary mistake. And now it should work perfectly fine. Thank you for watching this video.